So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Meta Business Suite not uploading photos and videos, cache permission and fix. So how to fix Meta Business Suite not uploading photos and videos. The issue usually occur due to corrupted cache files, unsupported media format, large file size, outdated browser or blocked permissions. Fixes are: clear your browser cache, check the file size and format, update your browser and ensure the browser has proper upload permission when using Meta Business Suite. Fixing this problem helps the platform process media correctly and allows photos and videos to upload successfully. So fix 1 is clear browser cache and cookies. Clearing the browser cache and cookies removes outdated or corrupted temporary files that may interface with the upload process, allowing Meta Business Suite to upload properly and upload videos or photos without error. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then select Settings. Click Privacy and Security on the left side. Then select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cached Image and File and Cookies and Other Site Data. Set the time range to all time. Click Clear Data. Restart the browser and open Meta Business Suite again. Fix 2 is check file size and format. Ensuring that the photo or video file meet the supported size limit, that format prevent compatibility issue that can block upload, helping Meta Business Suite process and publish the meta successfully. Check the photo or video format before uploading. Make sure photos are in JPG or PNG format. Ensure video are in MP4 or MOV format. Confirm the file size and within Meta's upload limit. If the file is large, use a video compression tool. Save the compressed file. Upload the file again through Meta Business Suite. Go to the folder or file where the photo or video is saved on your computer. Then right-click in file you want to upload. Click Properties from the menu. In the Journal tab, check the file size to make sure it is not too large. Look at the file type to confirm the format. Make sure images are in JPG or PNG format and photos or videos are in MP4 or MOV format. If the format is unsupported or the file is too large, convert or compress the file and then upload it again in Meta Business Suite. Third fix is check browser permission. Verifying that the browser has permission to access file and run unnecessary script. Ensure that Meta Business Suite can properly read and upload media files from your device. Open Google Chrome, go to Meta Business Suite website, click the lock icon in the address bar, select Site Settings. Ensure file access and pop-ups are allowed. Enable JavaScript and storage permission. Refresh the page and try uploading again. Fourth fix is update your browser. Updating your browser install the latest security patch and compatibility improvements which help prevent technical conflicts that may stop media upload on the Meta Business Suite. Open Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu, go to Help, About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates. Click Update Chrome if an update is available. Restart the browser after the update. Open Business Meta Suite and upload the media again. Fifth fix is try another browser or device. Using a different browser or device helps determine whether the problem is caused by a browser-specific glitch, allowing you to upload photo or video successfully. If the issue exists only on one platform, close the current browser. Open another browser such as Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. Log into Meta Business Suite. Navigate to Create Post. Click Add Photo or Video. Select your media file. Try uploading again. Thank you.